Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. As you know already, I'm Monica, and the first thing I wanna tell you, it's a big thank you to all my new subscribers. You guys are wonderful. I really appreciate each comment that you let in the description box, in the comment box. I have no words to say. Thank you to all of you. I am trying to respond as soon as possible to each comment. If I'm not, just bear with me. And again, you are wonderful, each one of you. So I know I promised a video with the Ulta skincare boxes unboxing, the one that are in the giveaway. But I just came from work today and I found a full bag with boxes. Those are, some of them are monthly subscription boxes and some of them are, one of them it's a limited edition, I believe. Yeah, and also I want to say that I will do that Ulta skincare boxes unboxing as soon as I can. I wanted to do first the Bomibox because for the first time, and let me show you what I will have for the next videos. It's gonna be the Boutique Mask Maven, I believe, whatever how you pronounce that, is the monthly subscription. I will also have, for this video, I will have the Bomibox, the box and the bag. And then for the next I will have Birchbox limited edition box for Valentine's, and then I will have also the Look Fantastic monthly box. It came really late this month, so yeah, and I will have, as I said, also the Ulta kits, the skincare kits. So for this video I will have the Bomibag, which is this one, and the Bomibox. Is the first time when they come in the same time. Usually I was getting the Bomibag first, but somehow this month I got both of them. And this is the single Korean subscription that I kept beside the Boutique. So let's see the Bomibag. So this is for the month, I have no idea what month is this, December or January. I didn't keep track of that. But here is the box. I believe this is January. I have to look back on my videos. And here is the bag. As usually is this cute bunny bag. And let's start first with the bag. I see a couple items in here. As usual, it's full with products. And the first thing in here is this aqua peeling mild type cotton swab, which looks like this. Then also, yeah, and we have the card with all the products. And this card for this month is what you think you become, what you feel you attract, what you imagine can create. So this is this one, the card for the Bomibag. I don't think before we got a card for the Bomibag, but it seems like they put one, which is really great. And about the cotton swab, the peeling one, this is for, it says for radiant skin. The giant aqua peeling cotton swab is infused with AHA, whatever, 5%, lime and papaya extracts, with which gently exfoliates the dead skin. So is this one. Then we have this, I think this came last month too. Anyway, I got this in one of the boxes. And this one is the, it's from HELLOSKIN. It's a face sheet mask. I wish to be able to read Korean, but unfortunately I'm not, so I can tell you what's this one about. On the card it says just HELLOSKIN JUMISO-SHEET masks, and they come in different types. So it's this one first. And then from the same brand we have this one. So 2 of them. The next item in here, it's a full-size item, and this one is from the Face Shop. It's a cleansing foam, and look at this size, it's big, really big. And about this one, it says Herb 365 cleansing foam infused with natural extracts to refresh and moisture skin. So is this full size. And then we have in here 3 more items. This is one of them, and this one is Pearly Night. It's from Peripera or something like that, and this is a hand cream which looks like this. About this one, it's a night hand cream. So, and then we have here this guy, which is from Benton, I believe, is the Snail Bee high content lotion. I heard a lot about this brand and this lotion in particular. It's a small size. And in this one, about this one, they say this one use bee venom, EGF, whatever is that, hyaluronic acid and various botanical based natural ingredients to help moisturize and repair damaged skin. So it's this small size. And the last item in the Bomibag, it's still from Benton. It's the same with this one, and this one is Snail Bee high content skin, and I believe this one is an essence or a toner. Let me look on the card and I'll let you know exactly what's this one. It's a toner, quite small, but whatever. The brand is good as far as I heard. I didn't try it before, but I will now. And yeah, that's all in the Bomibag. So far we get full this. I will leave the information down below about prices and where to subscribe to this box. So far we got this full-size cleanser, we got this full-size hand cream, those 2 face masks, we got the peeling cotton, and we got also this duo from Benton, which is the cream and the toner. So this was in the bag, and let's see now what's in the box. Usually in the box are kind of the same products, at least some of them are similar with the bag. I know that because I'm getting both of them, so you'll see repeats. I don't know which one is better, the box or the bag, but you'll decide about that. So in the box, which looks like this and has the same card, here is the box, same card with all the products inside. So it looks like this, and let's see what's in this one. First thing I see here, it's Special Care Apple Smoothie Peeling Gel from MIZON, you know how that sounds. And this one is a full size and looks like this. So about this one, it has papaya fruit enzymes, deep cleanse pores to eliminate blackheads and prevent future breakouts, with lemon, orange, and some other fruits. So, and also I'm looking at the dates because I had surprises before, not in a good way. Then the next item in the box is this one. The packaging is very cute. This one is from PETITFEE, something like that. It's Gold&SNAIL hydrogel eye patch, and they usually come in a box with a spatula. Let me open this and show you. And in this one we get 60. It has the seal, so I'm not gonna open because I have another one open right now. But I like the way they put this spatula here, so you can pick one and whatever. You don't have to dip your hands, and you know how is that. And this is another full size in the box. Also we have here the hand cream, the same one you saw in the bag. And also we get the same duo from Benton, the cream and the toner, those small samples. And what else we have here? We have another two face masks, and this one, actually both of them are still from HELLOSKIN, and they look like this. And I apologize for my nails, I didn't have time to do them. And the last item in here is this bag, and we have in this, I'm not gonna read this because for sure I'm gonna say something, who knows what, but I'll let you read the brand. I'm not gonna even try it. And in this one, let's see. So in this bag we got a sample of the shampoo, a lotion sample, a cleanser, what else? And those two sets of samples. One of them has the toner, oil, gel and cream, looks like this, and the second one looks like this. And in this one we have a mist toner, a serum, a cream, also for small samples. And the last item in this bag was this toner. I remember I used this before, but how was this one? Probably was good, because if it was something bad I will remember for sure. So is this a deluxe sample? It's a good size. So yeah, this is in the Bomi bag. So far we got those samples and the toner in this bag. And what was similar with the Bomi bag are the same brand, if I can say that, the masks, just they are different ones. And the hand cream was similar with the Bomi bag. So as I said, in the box we got this set, we got those two face masks, we got the hand cream, we got this full size eye gel patch, we got this from MIZON, and this one is a peeling gel, also full size. And those two which are in the Bomi bag too, the Benton cream and the toner. What I'm looking at this one, if you see, this is a very small sample. Comparing with my hand is just, but what I really appreciate is the fact that they put the expiration date here, which you're not gonna see on many other products, even if they are full size. But they, at least I consider they respect their clients. And even on the small sizes like this, they put the expiration date. So this is a big yes for me. So yeah, this is all in the box and in the bag. You let me know, what do you think it's worth it, the box or the bag? I think the box is I don't know exactly the prices, but around 20 something or 30, and the bag is around 18 or something, but I'll leave the information down below. So this is all in the Bomibag and the Bomibox, and I believe those are for January. It's with those boxes you never know which one it is, but I think this is January. And of course it doesn't say on the card for each month is this, but probably January. So yeah, that's all for this video. I will be back in couple minutes with another unboxing. It's gonna be the boutique Maven mask, whatever how you call that, for I think January. Have no idea. I'm completely out of tracking the months and whatever. So thank you so much for watching. Again, thank you so much for all your comments. Thank you to my new subscribers, and I'll see you pretty soon with another unboxing. You have a great day. Bye bye.